I'm going to show you how to change the light assembly or the bulb when the light goes out or it's cracked like this one is. We're going to change this assembly. First thing you have to do is open the trunk. And if you open the trunk, you will see this little panel in here. You turn these little twisties here. There's two of them. And that comes off, cover. And you can see in here there is not access for the bulbs. That means you have to take the assembly out. So if you look here, there are bolts. 1, 2, 3. And there may be another one. Let's see. Well, we'll start with those 3. They look like they're 8 millimeters. And we'll try an 8 first to see if that gets them off. Should be pretty easy. Alright, so we got the 8 millimeter on the air ratchet, and we're going to take them off. We'll see how many are here. You don't want to lose these because these are tough to get, these little screws. These little nuts, I mean. They're very small and they're not. Most cars use a 10 millimeter. And these ones are using these little 8s. And they're hard to replace if you lose them. So we're just going to pull on it. And it comes out. And if you need to change a bulb, we're going to twist one of these lights to get it out. And you pull it straight out. You can change that bulb. I'm doing this with one hand so I can't do it in film. But on the bottom, on that silver area of that bulb, there's a little number. And that tells you what, the number of the bulb. Or you can take the bulb to, an auto supply type place. Or you can even tell them what it's for. For example, if this is a 2004 Hyundai Elantra. This is for the stoplight. You can say it's for the stoplight. And they'll know what number. They can look it up. It's for the turn signal. It's a different bulb. And so on and so forth. So we're going to change the whole assembly. Now in here there's a connection for the harness. We could either disconnect it here by pressing this button and sliding the wire through here. There's a rubber stop there, but that will push through. If you push it, you kind of squeeze it and push it, and it'll come out here. Little rubber grommet. You can replace the whole assembly with the wires. But in this case, I'm not going to change the wire, so we're just going to twist these bulbs. Twist them out. Twist the final one. And there's the assembly. When I get the used assembly, we will just put it back the opposite way we just took it off. So that's it, Joe Beermaster. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. You can see how easy it was to do. Please subscribe. Hyundai Elantra. Multiple years if you have this style.